This is intense.
Boys, toxin.
I love this
a lot of damage. My health is like going up and funny, bro. I think I'm gonna go down though. I'm not gonna help.
Dagger stands up the ladder. Up the ramp, sorry.
Alright, ready? I'm go. Oh, really? Is that what they gave us? Here we go.
What is damaging me, bro?
Oh, I'm fucking down.
I got you. Oh, I'm down as well now.
You're
Oh, fuck.
Take him. I'm killing him. Go.
Go. Someone res me. 7
No,
seconds.
you get Musa first.
Oh, no, it's alright. It's almost done.
That's alright, I got
Now, 1 second. Oh,
I
you
did 0 damage to some of them.
I love you, boys. I love you, boys.
Got your back.
There, everyone should be asleep, bro.
Do we extract?
I don't know. We can do 5 minutes. I
Bro,
reckon.
just stand behind me, bro.
I'm on
Stop trying to be
83.
heroes, you'll be alright.
Everything goes through my energy shield.
Look, this is aid. Our carrier died. Oh no.
I'm doing like 7 and 2 damage to him now, bro. I'm not doing any damage anymore.
I'm doing damage, guys.
Cause this is fucking.
Oh my god. I'm down. Let's go fall down. Pick me up a bit.
Someone
Where
go
are you?
I got him. You guys fight. I got him.
It's so fast with 2 people.
Cause I need energy, so I'm just gonna hold up for a bit.
Imagine the mods up there.
I'm doing damage to him now. I'm doing damage. I think it was an ancient I was doing damage to.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, I'm getting insta hit from AoE, so I need to get out.
Stand
I'm
by.
moving back.
I got
Res
you.
me.
What the fuck is that?
I reckon we can hold out to 30.
Oh, I'm out of energy.
Me
Like,
too, that's the problem.
Oh shit, I'm out of energy.
Toxic killed me.
Oh fuck, I have no energy to stealth you.
I'm falling back already.
I have no energy either. I did no damage with my pistol, boys.
No one can res?
We gotta extract.
Oh, I'm about to res you.
Alright, after this we run. Just extract.
Quick.
I'm
Ow,
up.
ow, no.
We gotta extract, bro. We can't do this.
30 seconds. It says 30 seconds, what's that? Ah, extraction.
For the extract.
I actually ran out of energy. That's
Me
how
too, bro. Oh
Bro,
my
look at the
God.
credits.
So many credits.
50,000 credits,
look at those
300
kills,
and the...
Look at those kills.
Hey.
Oh my
melee
god.
Look at my melee kills, boy.
Hey, let's take a picture of this, bro. Fuck yeah.
Fuck, dude.